Dual fuel range shopping feels like deja vu. Every model promises perfect heat, even baking, and pro-level performance. But here's what no product page mentions. Most look identical on paper, yet real owners complain about uneven temps, flimsy knobs, or ovens that can't hold a steady heat. Today, we cut through the noise and show you which ones actually deliver. Product number 1, ZLINE Classic 30 Dual Fuel. Let's start with the ZLINE Classic 30-inch dual fuel range. This is ZLINE's entry-level pro-style model, and it immediately stands out for its balance of performance and price. If you want serious cooking power without the luxury markup, this is worth a serious look. The gas cooktop has 4 Italian-made burners, including a dual-function burner that goes from a low 800 BTUs for delicate sauces to a searing 20,000 BTUs perfect for wok cooking or charring steaks. The electric convection oven uses digital thermostat tech, so preheating is noticeably faster than older models, and heat stays consistent even when you open the door. That landscape oven window is a small detail, but it lets you check on roasts without losing heat, which matters when you're timing a holiday dinner. Now, some people complained about the broiler drawer feeling a bit lightweight, like it could warp over time with heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're not constantly broiling large cuts of meat or using it daily, it's totally fine. But if you're a serious grill-at-home person, this might annoy you. This is perfect for you if you're upgrading from a basic range and want real control without overspending. Skip this one if you need more than 4 burners or plan to do heavy-duty broiling weekly. It's a solid value for the features you get. Product number 2, ZLINE Autograph 36 Gold Accent. Now, if the Classic's 4 burners felt limiting, the ZLINE Autograph Edition 36-inch steps up with 6 burners in serious style. The polished gold knobs and handle aren't just for looks, they signal a shift toward premium feel and customization. If you want more cooking space and a range that doubles as a kitchen centerpiece, this one's a standout. With 6 sealed Italian burners ranging from 1,000 to 18,000 BTUs, you get room for multiple pots and pans without crowding. The 4.6 Ku FT oven is wider, fits 27-inch pans, and uses triple-layered glass with an aluminum mesh seal to trap heat. That means fewer temperature swings when baking cookies or casseroles. The convection fan is powerful but quiet, so you won't hear it over dinner prep chatter. Some users mention the gold accents can show fingerprints easily, and cleaning them takes a bit more effort than plain stainless steel. Here's the thing though, if you're buying this range, you're likely investing in aesthetics too. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth fixes it, not a deal breaker, just a maintenance note. This is perfect for you if you cook for large families or love hosting and want a range that looks as good as it performs. Skip this one if you prefer low-maintenance finishes or don't need 6 burners. It's a great middle ground between function and flair. Product number 3, ZLINE Classic 30 White Matte. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you're going for a modern, minimalist kitchen. The ZLINE Classic 30-inch with a white matte door keeps the same performance as the stainless version, but swaps the look for something cleaner and more contemporary. Under the hood, it's identical. 4 Italian burners with auto reignition, the same 800 to 20,000 BTU dual-function burner, and fast preheating thanks to digital thermostat control. The convection oven delivers even baking, and the landscape window gives you a full view without opening the door. The white matte finish resists smudges better than glossy surfaces, which is a win if you've got kids or pets. Now the storage drawer instead of a broiler might turn some off, especially if you rely on broiling for finishing dishes. Here's the thing though, if you already have a toaster oven or outdoor grill, you might not miss the broiler at all. But if you broil weekly, this could be a frustrating compromise. This is perfect for you if you want pro-level cooking in a sleek, modern design and don't need a built-in broiler. Skip this one if broiling is part of your regular routine. It's a stylish, functional pick for smaller kitchens or design-focused homes. Product number 4, ZLINE Autograph 48 Dual Oven. Now we're stepping into serious territory. The ZLINE Autograph 48-inch isn't just a range, it's a cooking command center. With 7 burners, 2 electric ovens, and a cast iron griddle, this is built for people who cook like it's their job. If you need maximum flexibility and space, this is the one. The 7 burners include a wide fish burner and a griddle perfect for pancakes, burgers, or stir-fries. Each oven is spacious, 6 Ft total, with 1 large and 1 smaller cavity, so you can roast a turkey and bake rolls at the same time. The convection system keeps both ovens evenly heated, and the triple-layer insulation means less energy waste and more consistent results. Some buyers said the size makes it hard to fit in standard kitchens. You'll need at least 48 inches of clearance plus ventilation planning. Here's the thing though, if you have the space, this range pays off in versatility. But if your kitchen is under 200 SQ-ft, it'll feel overwhelming. This is perfect for you if you entertain often, cook multi-course meals, or just love having options. Skip this one if you have a compact kitchen or don't use multiple ovens regularly. It's a powerhouse, but only if you can handle its scale. Product number 5, ZLINE Autograph 36 White and Gold. Finally, the ZLINE Autograph 36-inch in white matte with gold accents, a blend of elegance and performance. It's like the 36-inch gold model, but with a softer, more modern door finish. If you love the look of the gold version but want something less bold, this strikes a great balance. The white matte door hides fingerprints better than stainless or glossy finishes, and the gold knobs add just enough luxury without being over the top. The landscape window and quiet cooling fan keep things functional and peaceful. A few users noted that the white finish can yellow slightly over time if exposed to heavy grease splatter and not cleaned regularly. Here's the thing though, with weekly wipe-downs using a gentle cleaner, it stays bright for years. It's not high maintenance, just needs attention. This is perfect for you if you want a high-end look with real cooking power and don't mind light upkeep. Skip this one if you want a completely hands-off finish. It's a stylish, capable range that turns heads and meals for the better. So which one's right for you? The 30-inch Classic is great for tight spaces and budgets. The 36-inch Autograph adds style and extra burners. The white matte versions win on design, while the 48-inch is a beast for serious cooks. All offer solid dual-fuel performance, but your kitchen size, cooking habits, and style preferences will decide the winner. Pick the one that fits your life, not just your counter.